Okay, I just want to confirm that this is recording. Looks recording to me. Okay, keep that there. Keep that there. Okay, so hi everyone, my name is Muhammad. Um, and today I will be talking about data analytics in healthcare. First of all, I do wanna apologize for not uploading for a while. It's been a while since I uploaded. Usually, I do upload whenever there is a project that is interesting or that is not full of errors or a project that's worth talking about. So again, I do apologize about that. And if you have any questions about the code that or whatever I'm going to present today, please feel free to drop them down in the comments section below. Now, to start, I do want to show the file first. Okay, so I have a directory set up here. Okay, so the directory I have here, you can see the original dataset, okay, the derived dataset, and the Python code. Cool. So I will launch the Python code to show you what I need to present to you today. So we do have a dataset or CSV file and a topic filter. Okay, the dataset CSV file is full of many topics. Under each topic there is different things like the number of cases, the year it started, and so much more issues. So we do have in this cell we can see the types of topics based on this filter. Okay, so the topic filter shows us the topics we have, like diabetes, we have like mental health, oral health, cancer, other and others. Okay, now the next filter shows us the value counts. So we can see that under cancer there is 176,339, and the lowest one we can see is disability at 3,922. The next one just displays the data, but we do only want to see all the cancer related um, topics. We don't want to see any other topic. Cool. So these are the first 5 rows with all of the related data, and here is the last 5 rows. Okay, the next one will derive a file. So what we do is that this is the original dataset. Okay, US chronic diseases, CSV. We do have a line where it compares the value of cancer to the value of topic. So if the value of topic does not equal cancer, that means we don't need it. And then any value that falls under the topic cancer, okay, we do put it in a new file, and we call that new file dataset, cancer dataset .csv. Then after that, I'm interested only in the state of Ohio because I don't want all the data for all the states. I want to narrow it down further. Another filter. So basically the purpose of this project is to show you how can we use data analytics or data analysis to get a specific image or to convert them into something that people can understand commonly. Okay, so in here, since we're only interested in the state of Ohio, we do apply a filter, another filter for location destination. Notice that we did have that field here, which is, let me um let me get that here. Okay, so you can see here there is this one, this field called location destination. This is the field that we're filtering by. Cool. So we do filter by this field. Okay, and I did put lower because sometimes I was getting errors with my lower, like this needed sometimes to be O, like in capital, but I didn't want to have issues, so that's why I did leave the lower thing. Same also with cancer, I was putting it through and it was showing me like no cancer related cases, even though there is, or cancer related data. And then we display the data as you can see here in tables. All right, after that we do have want to see the columns, so it shows us the columns under that topic, and then we do filter by the number because we do want to see in 2015 and 2016 the number. So we can see in here for the year start, and the ones in 2015 and 2016 were 320,000 and 186 and 317,000 and 545 cases. Then we display the data again, but this time notice that it's still, we do have data from other places. We don't want that. So we do pull out all the data from Ohio that are Ohio related, okay, related to the state of Ohio, and we do filter. We just want to see the numbers here, okay, year start in 2015 and 2016, okay. Then in this one we do present a graph with all cancer cases in 2015 and all cancer cases in 2016. Notice that in 2015 was more higher than 2016. Notice the difference. And then the last one we do plot to more specific female and male in 2015 and female and male impacted or cancer cases in 2016. You can see that in 2016 it was also a little bit lower. Further research I have done, which is theoretical, got nothing to do with that, showed that the state of Ohio is lies on the cancer belt, and most of the areas or locations around the world that lies on the cancer belt get exposed to more sunlight or more harmful sun rays, which results in people becoming more prone to get more cancer cases. The other thing as well you need to take note of is that with these cases, the reason why they spread easily is because certain lifestyle things that people do, or certain lifestyle actions that people do, sometimes camping out in the sun, or too much tanning, or too much staying on the beach without proper skin protection or whatever, could cause that hike that we see here in cancer diseases. So that's it. That's all about data analytics. We used multiple filters to narrow down a huge set of data to get a very kind of specific data, and you could even get more specific than that. As usual, if you do have any comments, any questions, any collabs, or anyone has any projects that you need me to post on the channel, please let me know, and hopefully we'll see you in the next video.